Okay, hey folks, here's another senior moment or senior project, and as you know, on the last one, you saw where I put the deck outside of Vicky's new office, and I decided, like in bad weather or whatever, she might need a little bit more deck. So I brought the deck on out 16 more feet. And now I'm putting a ramp in so that when she's rolling her cart out with packages or whatever, this ramp will go from the deck down to the ground. Now, I made this frame and I cut it on the bottom. I cut it at an angle so it would fit at ground level. Then I used the nail gun and I went in and toe-nailed in to the deck frame. Then I went underneath and put some more nails. So it's in there pretty substantial. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how I'm going to put.
That's our weight test right there.
Yeah, that's checking to see if it collapses. If he can walk on it and don't collapse, we're okay. So I got my big old nail gun out here, and if you can follow me, son.
I'll try.
Have you got me on the camera?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to hold that in like that. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect because I'm going to skin it later on with some kind of a we'll try that again. There, it shot a nail in. Didn't get it quite like I wanted, but like I say, it doesn't have to be perfect. And there, it shot one. So let's show you what it's doing. These nails are this long. You got that?
Yes.
So you can see how far in they're going. Just gives you an idea of and it'll be basically the same thing down here. Oh, you had to get a couple more too, folks. I'm just gonna do a couple more, and that way you get an idea of what I'm doing. And maybe after I'm done, I'll get the cart and move it on up and down. And if not, I'll show it on another video later. Yeah, that one dropped down a little bit, but it won't matter. Once I get this covered, it'll just show anyway. So, that's about all I'm going to do for the video on this one. But you can see that once I get this done and get a skin on there, probably 3/8 or even a 1/4 inch OSB, because there won't be any hit to it. Just get some sort of a skin on there. Then when we paint it, I'll sprinkle a little sand. I've got sand for my sandblaster. I'll sprinkle a little sand on there to just make it non-skid. So, just wanted to give you an update on the deck and the ramp that I'm building. And if you have any questions, son, anything you think I didn't cover?
No, I think it's all good.
Okay, I will shut this down for now, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.